When you're out camping and it just gets pitch black at night, sometimes it's nice to have the luxury of just turning on the porch light. And that's what I'm going to be installing today, a porch light. This is going to be my porch light. I'm going to be mounting it right where my center emblem currently is on my hatch. There are some through holes that I can use to mount the light and feed the wire through. So let's get started.